Wow, what a great opportunity to come back here in Haifa, my favorite place here in Israel. I love it. Yeah. And later I'm going to the beach, Haifa beach, Kiryat Yam. My bike is there. Under the olive tree. Evergreen is under the olive tree. And then my bag is there sitting down. It's so tired. It's so amazing. It's nice to be back here again. So I'm going to the beach. Bye bye.